This is if statements and the relational operators. A relational operator is used for selection. Selection is choosing one piece of code to be used over another piece of code. Selection is performed by using relational operators. A relational operator is a little function of code which checks if one variable or object or something is correct in its interaction with another thing. For example, is 7 greater than 6? I will now show the proper way to format an if statement inside a piece of code of Python. In Python code, if you want to use selection properly, you will need to indent the selected piece of code. So essentially, after an if statement with a colon or any statement like that where you can choose to select things with a colon, you need to indent the tabs that you want to be chosen, right? So if I put if variable is greater than variable 2, I would need to indent the next code, right? So print true. I would need to indent that. An indent is anything that has just like one space. So you could have one space before your code to show that it's indented. But usually it is 4 spaces, a full tab, as you supersession. If you don't supersession, then it gives you a syntax error. If you do supersession, it's good. Possession does not need to be continuous. You can break possession after that first line of code, but as long as there's possession on the first line of code after the statement of selection. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned something. Have a good day.